Hey guys, Alex here from Rising Sun Customs. Well, I decided to take out my big bike today, the long hauler, which is still in the shed right now. But in order to get that out, I have to pull out the newest bike that I got, the Vstar 1100. So not enough room. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you a little bit of the progress that I made on the bike since I got it a few weeks ago. So what I've done so far is I have, pretty much stripped off, some of the stuff that was on it. The side covers are gone. I took off this stereo system, this little stereo system that was up here where these brackets are. I took that off just the other day. Got rid of that stuff. And what I did yesterday on the bike was I put on the lowering kit that I got from Amazon. And the lowering kit is great because it lowers the bike down 2 inches, but it looks like more than that because, as you can see, the tires nicely tucked up in the fender there. And if I put my finger inside, it's pretty close, man. The tire's actually fairly close to the inner lip of the the frame. So I think it'll be fine. I mean, it's not going to rub or anything like that, but it's pretty much tucked up in there. So I think what I got to do is stiffen the suspension a little bit. It's a little bit soft right now, as you can see. So if I hit a big bump or something, it might bottom out. So I got to be careful with that. But anyway, I mean, the fender's going to be chopped in any case. So, but I just wanted to show you real quick a couple quick tips here for you. There's the linkage that I changed out. So what happens is the new linkage is actually longer than the old one, the dog bone, if you will. Is actually a little bit longer with the new piece, and what it does is it provides the tire to be tucked up in the fender more, and really gives it a nice stance. So I'll zoom out again to show you guys. But the one thing I'm gonna suggest to you is yesterday I had a little bit of a tough time getting this bottom bolt out, and this bottom bolt right here, can't see it, but this bottom bolt right here is a little tough to get out. So what you got to do is you got to undo the bolt for the shock, the bottom of the shock, which is right here. Undo that, and then this part of the suspension linkage will drop down, and that'll allow you to take that bottom bolt out of there. So, sorry, my finger's getting in the way. It'll allow you to get that bottom bolt out of there. So the top bolt's pretty easy to get out, not hard at all. Putting it back in, you got to shift it around, jimmy it around a little bit, but it's not too bad. But, of course, you got to make sure you lift the bike up from the middle and raise it off the ground, so this way it's an easy job. But as you can see, again, it's got a nice stance to it now, much more nicer stance than it did before when it was lifted up. But the front end is going to be lowered as well by just simply, taking off. Well, I'm going to take off the, I got to take off the turn signals anyway. These are going to go, but loosening the top triple tree and the bottom triple tree, up to the bottom part of the triple tree, but those are both going to come loose. And actually, I'm going to switch out these bolts too because they're looking pretty worn out actually. So get those parts cleaned up and everything. But anyway, so, and then I'm going to put clip-ons on the top part of the bars here. Right over here, I'm going to put clip-ons for the bike. Give it that cool, racy look. So anyway, but that's about it for now. I just wanted to show you guys the way it looks with the lowering kit on it. Came out pretty good. So, but I'll still be doing a little bit of progress to it, little by little, and hopefully, like I said, my plan is to get her done by the time the New York Motorcycle Show comes around in November, December. So we'll see what happens. Should be doable. Fingers crossed. So anyway, guys, that's about it. Just wanted to show you the progress on the bike, and I'll see you next time. Take care, ride safe, keep the sticky side down, and don't forget to subscribe, and share videos here on my page. See you guys later.